Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning. On my left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, perfect for those who want to mop without all the fuss. And on my right, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam, an all-in-one powerhouse that vacuums and steams at the same time. So which one is the champ? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about price. The Shark S3501 will set you back about $89. Reviewers appreciate this budget-friendly option, praising its value for money. Meanwhile, the Bissell PowerFresh is priced at $185. While some users feel it's worth the investment due to its dual functionality, others think it's a bit steep. It's clear that if you're looking for something straightforward and budget-friendly, the Shark S3501 is your guy. Now, let's get into functionality. The Shark is designed to clean all sealed hard floors with steam ready in just 30 seconds. Many reviewers highlight how easy it is to set up and use, making it a reliable choice for quick cleaning. The Bissell, on the other hand, vacuums and steams simultaneously, which some users love for saving time, though others note it can struggle with certain messes. It's clear that the Shark is great for straightforward mopping, while the Bissell is perfect for multitaskers. Let's talk cleaning power. The Shark uses superheated steam that leaves floors looking new without streaks, a feature praised by numerous reviewers. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which users find appealing despite some limitations in steam power. Reviewers note that while both products effectively clean, the Shark is noted for its steam prowess, while the Bissell is recognized for its germ-fighting capabilities. When it comes to ease of use, the Shark has a soft grip handle that many find comfortable, making mopping feel effortless. Reviewers love how lightweight it is, though some mention a lack of an on-off switch. The Bissell features easy-touch digital controls, which some users enjoy, but others find it can be cumbersome. While the Shark is praised for its simplicity, the Bissell appeals to those who like a bit of tech in their cleaning tools. Accessories matter. The Shark comes with 2 washable microfiber pads, which eco-conscious users appreciate. Reviewers highlight the convenience of reusability. The Bissell includes a microfiber soft pad, a scrubby pad, and a detachable mop pad tray, making it a clear winner in the accessories department. It seems the Bissell is trying to win the accessory Olympics and is succeeding. Overall, both products have their strengths. The Shark S3501 is favored for its affordability, ease of use, and effective steam cleaning. Users recommend it for basic mopping needs. The Bissell PowerFresh, while more expensive, is praised for its dual functionality and ability to tackle messes quickly, although some users have noted it can be loud and less effective on certain floors. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.